In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock aspect ratio in Canva. If you've ever tried resizing an image, graphic, or other design element in Canva and noticed that it keeps its proportions locked, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to change that. Unlocking the aspect ratio allows you to adjust the width and height independently, which can be useful when you need a more customized fit inside your design. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where the element you want to resize is located. This can be any Canva design, as long as the object you want to adjust is already on the canvas and ready to be selected. Next, click on the image, graphic, or element you want to resize. This is important because Canva only shows certain editing options when an object is actively selected. Once you click it, you should see the editing controls update so you can work specifically with that item. Now look to the top toolbar and find the position option. Go ahead and select it. This opens additional layout and arrangement settings for the selected element. If you don't immediately see everything you need, don't worry because the next part is where the actual aspect ratio control appears. After clicking position, move to the left pane and make sure you're on the Arrange tab. In that panel, look for the Advanced section. This is where Canva gives you more detailed controls for placement and sizing. Inside Advanced, find the ratio setting. Next to it, you'll see a lock icon. Click that lock icon to unlock the aspect ratio. Once it's unlocked, the width and height are no longer tied together so you can resize the element more freely. This gives you more control when you need to stretch or compress something to match your layout. And that's it, you've successfully unlocked the aspect ratio in Canva. As a quick tip, use this feature carefully, especially with photos or logos, because unlocking the ratio can distort the original proportions. For decorative elements or layout adjustments, though, it can be very helpful. If something doesn't look right after resizing, you can always adjust it again until it fits your design the way you want. That's the full process for unlocking aspect ratio in Canva, and now you can resize elements with a lot more flexibility.